Imagine you're building a house. You've got a blueprint, a team, and all the materials. But without a solid foundation, the whole structure is at risk of crumbling. Trello is often touted as the foundation for project management, but is it really as sturdy as it seems? Trello has taken the project management world by storm, offering a visually appealing and intuitive interface. Its Kanban-style boards have become synonymous with organizing tasks, but what's often overlooked are the potential pitfalls that can arise when relying solely on Trello. Disadvantages of Trello. Limited customization. While Trello offers basic customization options, it might not cater to the specific needs of complex projects. Lack of advanced features like time tracking, resource allocation, and dependency management can limit its effectiveness. Dependency issues. Trello's focus on individual tasks can make it challenging to visualize dependencies between different elements of a project. This can lead to delays and bottlenecks if tasks are not sequenced correctly. Lack of advanced reporting. While Trello provides basic reporting features, it might not be sufficient for generating detailed analytics and insights. This can hinder effective decision-making and project evaluation. Scalability concerns. As projects grow larger and more complex, Trello's limitations can become more apparent. Managing a large number of boards and tasks can be cumbersome, and performance issues may arise. Integration challenges. While Trello integrates with other popular tools, the integration process can sometimes be complex and time-consuming. This can lead to data inconsistencies and inefficiencies. Security risks. As with any cloud-based platform, Trello is vulnerable to security threats. Data breaches and unauthorized access can pose significant risks to sensitive information. Lack of automation. Trello offers limited automation capabilities, which can be a drawback for repetitive tasks. This can lead to increased manual effort and potential errors. Steep learning curve for complex projects. While Trello's interface is generally user-friendly, it can be challenging to master for complex projects with intricate workflows. This can lead to inefficiencies and delays. Limited collaboration features. While Trello offers basic collaboration features, it might not be as robust as other project management tools. This can hinder teamwork and communication. Potential for over-reliance. Over-reliance on Trello can lead to a lack of flexibility and adaptability. It's important to consider other project management tools or methodologies to complement Trello's strengths. While Trello is a valuable tool for many project management needs, it's essential to be aware of its limitations. By understanding the potential disadvantages, you can make informed decisions about whether Trello is the right fit for your specific projects. Remember, the best project management solution is one that aligns with your team's unique requirements and work style. With that said, thanks for watching. If you have any questions or experiences with Trello, feel free to share them in the comments below. Until next time, happy project managing.